Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KIG86 Columbus, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG86 Columbus, Ohio. Now here is the slight chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the mid-50s. Southwest wind 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming northwest after midnight. This is a chance of rain 20%. Friday, partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Highs in the lower 70s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday night, mostly clear. Unseasonably cold with lows in the upper 40s. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows around 50. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 50s. Labor Day, mostly sunny.
Alright, I just came back home and all of my weather radios went off, including my newest ones, the W300, V5, 12250 from Cincinnati, these WR10s, the Motorola, the new Capello, the new 12478 also went off, and B1, and that OAV4.
Down in Cincinnati.
This one has not gone off for some reason. The modded one. Otherwise, I see that all my radios has gone off. Except for that Jensen, it's not plugged in. V2 is also not plugged in. But yeah, this includes WWG57, but they were all expired. And I see that KIG86 God's First World since I hung that up. So yeah, that's basically it of the EAS video. So thanks for watching. By the way, this message is temporary until I set it up. I just pulled out this morning for the test to see if it works properly. So yeah, thanks for watching.